How do I check, at runtime, if one class is a subclass of another? Let's say that I have a class suit and 4 subclasses of suit: heart, spade, diamond, club. I have a method which receives a suit as a parameter, which is a class object, not an instance. More precisely, it may receive only one of the 4 values: heart, spade, diamond, club. How can I make an assertion which ensures such a thing? Something like, I'm using Python 3.
You can use issue class like this: assert issue class suit.
Issue class class_info. Excerpt. Return true if class is a subclass, direct, indirect or virtual, of class_info.
You can use isInstance if you have an instance, or issue class if you have a class. Normally thought it's a bad idea. Normally in Python you work out if an object is capable of something by attempting to do that thing to it.
The issue class sub Boolean function returns true if the given subclass sub is indeed a subclass of the superclass sub.